Hey everybody, Logan Alec, CPA here. I own Choice Tax Relief. We help folks who owe the IRS or their state at least $10,000 in back taxes. I recently made a video about the IRS unable to pay status, and Benita had a good question about when you're placed into that status, will you still get your tax refunds after you file your tax return? And the answer to that question, Benita, is unfortunately no. You will not get your tax refunds while you're in unable to pay status. If that tax debt is still there, the IRS is still going to zap those refunds and take them. And the logic is, well, you're able to live without that extra money, right? Because it was taken out of your paycheck every pay period. You were still able to survive without it. So the IRS is going to take it after you file your tax return. This kind of speaks to the necessity of having good tax planning while you're in unable to pay status, because you may want to plan your tax situation, adjust your withholdings or your estimated tax payments so that you won't end up with a refund after you file your return. So there's nothing for the IRS to take. You kind of just want to break even. If they place you in unable to pay status, you don't want to owe them, because they could kick you out of whatever resolution you're in if you end up owing, and you don't want them to owe you either a refund, because they will just take it and apply it to your back tax debt. Folks, I hope this was helpful for you. I hope this was helpful for you, Benita. Like I said, at Choice Tax Relief, we help folks who owe the IRS or their state at least $10,000 in back taxes. If you'd like a free consultation with us, give us a call at 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or go to choicetaxrelief.com. Fill out the form on the website and we will reach out to you. I have some other tax relief videos for your education and enjoyment on the left-hand side of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.